Hello my dear students. So today in this video we're going to solve the applied mathematics section of previous DCT examination. And the first question in applied mathematics section is if a matrix A is equals to 3 0 minus 2 1, then 2 into A minus 3 into A transpose will be equals to. The right answer is option 3, that is 2 into A minus 3A transpose will be equals to matrix minus 3 6 minus 4 minus 1. And the next question is a matrix 3 4x into minus 1 2 5 will be equals to 2x plus 8. Then the value of x is, the right answer is option 1. The value of x will be equals to 1. And the next question is if a determinant 3 m minus 1 m plus 1 and 2 will be equals to 3, then the value of m will be equals to, and the right answer is option 4, that is plus or minus 2. And the next question is in solving the simultaneous linear equation x minus y equals to 4, 2y plus 3z equals to minus 2 and 3x plus y plus 2z will be equals to 1. Using a Cramer's rule, the value of determinant of coefficients of x, y and z is, the right answer is option 3. That is the value of determinant of coefficient for x, y, z is minus 8. The next question is if a matrix A is equals to minus 2 5 2 minus 3, then the A inverse of A is, the right answer is option 4, that is the inverse of matrix A is equals to 1 by 4 3 5 2 2. The next question is the characteristics roots of the matrix 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 are, the right answer is option 2, that is the characteristic roots for the matrix 4 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 is minus 2 and 5. The next question is if a vector A is equals to 2i minus 3j plus 5k and vector B is equals to 3i minus 2j minus 5k and vector C is equals to I plus 4k, then the scalar product of vector A plus B and B minus C is, the right answer is option 3, that is the scalar product of vector A plus B and A minus C is equals to 20. The next question is if A, B, C are the three consecutive vertices of a parallelogram with the position vectors 3i minus 2j plus k, comma 2i plus j minus k and I minus j plus k, then the area of parallelogram is, the right answer is option 1. The area of parallelogram for the given three vectors will be equals to 3 root 5 square units. And the next question is the work done by the force 2, and the next question is the work done by the force 2i minus 3j plus 5k in a moving particles from 3 comma 1 comma 2 to 1 comma minus 1 and 1 is. So in this one the force is given in the form of vector form, so and we need to identify the work done when the particle moves from one position to another position. These are the points of ijk with respect to initial point and this is a ijk value at the final point. The difference of these two will be the work done. So the right answer is option 2, that is 9. So the work done by this force will be 9 units. And the next question is the probability of drawing a non-diamond cards from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards is, the right answer is option 1, that is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is a right answer. So that is a probability for drawing a non-diamond cards. And the next question is if tan theta will be equals to 2 by 3 when theta lies between pi and 3 pi by 4, then sin theta plus cos theta will be equals to, the right answer is option 4, that is minus 5 divided by root 13. The next question is if tan A plus tan B plus tan A into tan B is equals to 1, then A plus B will be equals to, and the right answer is option 3, that is 45. So the A plus B will be equals to 45 degree. And the next question is root 1 minus cos 40 divided by 1 plus cos 40 is equals to, the right answer is option 1, that is it will be equals to tan 20. And the next question is if tan A is equals to 1 by 2 and tan B is equals to 2 by 3, then tan A minus B will be equals to, the right answer is option 3, that is tan A minus B will be equals to minus 1 by 8. The next question is the numerical value of sine 10 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 70 degree is equals to, the right answer is option 2, that is 1 by 8. That is the right answer, that is the numerical value of sine 10 degree into sine 50 into sine 70 degree will be equals to 1 by 8. And the next question is sine 12 degree plus cos 12 degree divided by sine 12 degree minus sine 12 will be equals to, the right answer is option 3, that is minus tan 57 degrees. And the next question is the polar form of a complex number root 3 minus I is, the right answer is option 2, that is 2 into cos pi by 6 minus I sine pi by 6. So that is a polar form of a complex number root 3 minus I. And the next question is the value of limit x into root x square plus 1 minus x is, the right answer is option 3, that is 1 by 2. The next question is the value of limit x into root x minus 3 into root 3 divided by sine x minus 3 is equals to, and the right answer is option 3, that is 3 into root 3 divided by 2. And the next question is the value of limit 1 minus root cos x divided by x square is, the right answer is option 2, that is 1 by 2. That is the answer for limit 1 minus root cos x divided by x square will be equals to 1 by 4.